Hello, friends! The technicians at this highly reputable appliance workshop in the city shared these tips with us, so pay close attention because we're going to fix this issue. When inspecting these units, we often find that many customers notice the air starts blowing normally, but after a while, the airflow decreases or stops, and EH06 appears. This tells us that the problem is usually related to temperature sensors or the condenser fan. Technically, if the air that should exit the condenser properly doesn't move, the system interprets that it's operating under unsafe conditions and triggers the error code to protect itself. While inspecting the units, we also see that dirty filters and coils contribute significantly to the problem. Some customers mention everything seemed fine, but after cleaning the filters, the airflow improved for a few days. This shows that the system works more efficiently when air circulates freely, although if a sensor is faulty, cleaning alone won't be enough. Another detail that often comes up is the condenser fan. Sometimes customers notice that the AC makes normal sounds, but the external airflow is minimal. This indicates that the fan isn't moving enough air, causing the system to overheat and trigger EH06. At the workshop, we explain that checking the fan's speed and condition is crucial, because if it fails, the entire unit may shut down to protect itself. Temperature sensors also play a key role in this issue. Customers have reported that the air was lukewarm, yet EH06 still appeared. This happens because a faulty sensor sends incorrect readings to the controller, which then interprets the system as being out of range and stops operation. Testing these sensors with a multimeter and ensuring they're properly connected is always a step we take before considering more expensive replacements. Regarding the electronics, the control board can also be responsible for EH06. Some customers assume everything is fine because there's no visible damage, but as technicians we know that a defective internal relay or a loose connection can make the unit think there's an overheating problem, even if everything looks normal at first glance. Sometimes reinforcing connections or cleaning contacts can make the unit work temporarily, but if the error persists, the board may need professional inspection.